Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Masood, and in today's episode I want to speak about how we can learn new technology in a faster way and more efficient way. As you probably know, these days we have too many programming languages, and even we have too many frameworks on top of them. Most of them are so useful, and if we can learn them, this is great, but because of lack of time, we don't have enough time to learn those stuff. But how we can solve this problem for ourselves? How we can learn a new technology? For example, if I decide to learn React, what is the best way for me to learn it in a faster way? Because these technologies are so complicated and there are too many tutorials, videos or documents about it, and if I just want to go through them, maybe it's been a year that I started reading those documents, but I haven't done any project yet and my knowledge is not deep. So be with us to see how we can learn technologies that we want in a faster way. Okay guys, for the first step I want to say, if I want to learn something new, for example, I want to learn React.js and develop apps using this framework or library. The first thing is that I need to go to the official website, Quick Start Guide. This is great, especially for React.js or new technologies on top of JavaScript. And the first thing that we need to do in order to learn something new in these areas, I definitely suggest you to first check the Quick Start Guide. And it's not a long documentation. You just can spend maybe a day or 2 days to learn those stuff, and this is gonna be so good for you to start using that framework. And the second tip that I want to mention is that there are too many awesome videos about each technology on YouTube and others websites. For example, the Egghead.io is really good, and sometimes when I want to learn something new, I check that website or YouTube, or there are too many websites that you can download tutorials about what you want to learn, and it's a faster way in comparison with other ways of learning something new, because when you watch videos you see how exactly you can do things in your library or even in your programming languages, and it's a practical way. This is very important, because the most efficient way to learn something new is that you choose a practical way to learn it, and if you do this, it will keep in your mind for a long time and you don't forget it. Tip number 3 is that when we want to learn something and we want to use it in a practical way, we definitely need to do projects with that language or something that we want to learn. This is really important for us since we want to use it inside our projects or even making money using that language or technology. So we need to have it inside our mind that if I want to master something, I definitely need to take time every day. This is really important, every day. If you want to start programming, if you want to learn how to code or how to build a website using JavaScript or React.js or whatever technology that you want, you need to take time and practice a lot. This is a key secret that I want to tell you, that if you don't, if you just follow some tutorials and watch videos, but you don't start coding projects in that language, you won't learn that and you won't master it, and after a short period of time you found that you completely forgot that topic or programming language or something else. So we need to choose a project, even maybe one or even two projects, and it's better to be small projects, so you don't need to work on big projects and spend a lot of time on them. But this is important also, that those projects should be something beneficial, not just a single page without any use. It's better to, for example, it's better to make a notepad application or something that you yourself want to use it in future, and it's a better way to learn something new. Okay guys, thank you for watching. At the end of this video, I want to mention that if you want to start learning React.js, I have a series about it on my YouTube channel, and using this link you can go through it and watch how we can build user interface using a React.js library in a practical way. We will make a YouTube clone using React.js together step by step, and you will see how easy it is to make applications in React.js. Thank you guys for watching.